Hello and welcome back to our series. I have opened previous file so that we can learn in this same file. Now we need this column and this is welcome file. We will keep that and let's me make you that, run it, save it, and this is a small window. But I don't like this because this is a small window, this is wrapping the content, but I like to make that window like this. This is a window, there is some content but this space also getting the window, so I want to make that window. This is simple how we can make the window. Let's here define geometry window dot j. This is geometry. You may learn geometry in your mathematics. Same is that geometry means the position, size of the object. Let's make this 400 into 600. This is not a multiply sign, this is x, simply x. It will know this is this is the means it is length by breadth. And let's run, let's save. First of all we have to save and run it. Let's see the geometry. Yes, we have got the geometry here. This is the geometry. I want to make this landscape. This is a portable. Let's change the geometry to 600 to 400. 6 to 4, 6 ratio 4. Let's run it. Yes, this is how we can change the geometry of the GUI, graphic interface. Let's grid some buttons and text with entry box. If you have filled the form in many application and if you have seen application that fill and save the data, and maybe you have filled your college form in website, and this is like same, this you can make same form, but we will make some different type. We will make the project. I want to say that we will make the project of hospital management and banking system in this series, and we will discuss about other command line application also, because we have made only one application that was so small, and we will also make a small application in the next coming video. And if you need some project to made, you can contact me personally. I will leave my contact of email in description. Let's create the text. Here I will make here what I want to make. Here I want to make level. I will set name level is equal to this is level. I should pass window here and I should give the text here is equal to, I want to make a name, phone, email, something like this, and I want to make here name. This window may be like old style, here is no maximum things, but we can make some graphical feature in this. Rather than making in HTML and Java, we can make here, we can embed HTML in this program too. We will read this that in upcoming series. We will study about different types of web designing with Python. Let's create it. Name level, that may be capital because I have a screen scratch here, so I am not seeing properly. That grid, let's grid this two rows is equal to, it will be 1 and 1 and column will be same as 0 is equal to 0, and I will make another, I will make here entry box, name entry is equal to here entry entry same. Before that we have to pass something that is variable. Let's not make a entry box here. Let's grade two more name. Here I will grid here name, here name is equal to, like HTML we use simply what we make first is static page. I will make static page here. Text is equal to, I will make here name, and this text is equal to my name here. This is P and E studio, and I will grid it name dot grid row is equal to, I will grid and same row, and column is equal to, sorry, now what is happening to me, this some problem is getting here. Now I will create here button 1, btn1 is equal to button, and we should pass here same window, and text is equal to, text I will show here test button test, and I will grid button 1 dot grid row is equal to 1, and column is equal to 0, sorry, this is row is equal to 2. Let's run it and see. As we have get this, and this is not nice here. This is occupying one whole column. I want to say this should occupy 2 column, this should occupy 1 column, this should 1 column, and this should occupy 1 column with little bit more wide here. Let's make here, now let's say this is of column span, span is equal to 2, means it will take column 0 and column 2. Let's see what is the result. Run it. It should give, yes, this is giving column 1 and column 2. Now I want to change the width of the button. I will make width is equal to 10. Let's run it. It should give me error. It says no wide here, means we should have give column span here. Is equal to, I will give 2 same here. Run it. We will make the wide also. We will see what is it. It is giving me the center. We will discuss this in next video. And what's remaining here means this remaining is same what we have get here. That should be with more wide. We will know this. So look at here should be wide, because here, yes, I have forgot that here is we have to pass padding, span and anything here, but we will pass here wide. That should give me wide is equal to 10. Let's save and run it. It should not give me error here. Yes, we have get the wide of 10. Let's make it column span is 1, make it 20 and see the difference here. It should give me more bigger button. Yes, this is giving me bigger button. This is giving me at this position, not in center, because here we have column span only this is a half column and it is taking more than one column, so it is making here. Let's change this into column span is equal to 2. It should take that button to center. Let's see that. Yes, it has taken the center. This we have learned how we can change the width of the hair, and we can change height also. Height should be given is equal to 3 heights, and this take a difference parameter. Let's see, this is 20 and this is 3. If we make this 20, it will go long and long, because height and width get different parameter here. This is in pixel, but this is not in pixel. This is, I think, in centimeter. Let me see that. It's maybe centimeter. No, this is not in centimeter too. Yes, this maybe millimeter. This is 3 millimeter, I think. Something is that I will explain now which unit this take. Let's try to make this pixel and run it. It should give me error because it does not support pixel here. It will take a numeric value only. Let's see, height should be given in small amount and width should be given in 10, 20, 15, 12, 13. You can give in large amount to make large, or to make height large we can give in small amount. So this is, if we make it 20 here, same as the wide, then it will not be square, it will be again rectangle. Let's see, this height 20 is this much. Let's see, wide is equal to 20. This is in pixel and other dp em something that. Yes, this is in em. This is standard unit. This is getting by us. Thank you for watching this video. Next we will make the entry box in Tkinter, and in next video we will take a button and we will show the result as a message in the Tkinter. Thank you for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe our channel to grow our community and make people helpful by sharing this information.